Hey everyone, this is our Chipmunks Giggling wireless car horn. It's a pretty cool little unit, guys. Comes with one wireless remote. If you want additional remotes, you can buy additional remotes, but it does come with one wireless remote. We've got it facing down because it's a pretty loud horn. Easy to set up, guys. Black wire go to ground somewhere, go to your battery or anywhere you have a ground source. Your red wire go to a 12-volt power source, could be your battery or a fuse, wherever you have 12 volts. So this is our Chipmunks Giggling wireless car horn. This is a funny car horn, guys. It's really a good seller for us.